You became a physician because you care about people. You work hard and truly want to serve your patients and your profession, and you're subject to many stressors that can leave you feeling depleted, beleaguered, sometimes even burnout. But when you change your perspective, you change your experience. The American Meditation Institute's Heart and Science of Yoga Conference for physicians and healthcare providers is uniquely designed to offer you a refreshingly new, clearer, and kinder perspective on yourself and the responsibilities you face, both personally and professionally. Our conference will show you practical, easy-to-learn tools to transform your stress into strength, increase your creativity and job satisfaction, and restore a healthy work-life balance. During the conference, you will learn a variety of yogic practices, including AMI meditation, easy gentle yoga, and diaphragmatic breathing. In addition, you'll develop the beneficial skills of one-pointed attention, detachment, discrimination, and willpower. The art of medicine demands intelligence and empathy. Yoga and mindfulness are about achieving that balance between mind and body within oneself. We invite you to join us for this rare opportunity to study with one of the world's most knowledgeable teachers of yoga science and a supporting faculty of medical experts. And with all the yoga science tools you take home, you'll be able to make meaningful changes that will bring you the happy, healthy, secure, and purposeful life you deeply desire.